Good morning, everyone.
Morning. Morning.
Oh, you guys sound like a little lethargic. You've been drinking?
I can use one.
Okay, interesting opening going into soon to be Thanksgiving. Volume's going to be light. Start with that. Light time. Everyone, goes away. People are around watching their screens. And right now, no one really knows what to do. Markets are getting close to 10.5. People are trying to make heads or tails of what's going to happen. So let's go through two situations. I want to go through tomorrow. I'm not going to be here in the morning, so I want to talk about what's going to go on tomorrow, trading-wise. And then I'll talk a little about right now. We've got basically a flat opening. Actually, it's drifting up a little, and gold just drifted up a little, but it's basically a flat opening, probably range-bound, as Eve's going to tell you, 50 up, 50 down. We'll probably stay in that kind of range. Personally, I think we'll stay below 50 up because I don't think they'll take 8,500. 10.5, because I'm not sure what to do with that. And on the downside, we're probably limited to about 50 points also. So we'll see what's going to go on. 10 o'clock is a number, and that confidence number, that's going to determine different things. Again, what's been working? Not much, but the one thing that has been working is we short the spikes when you get that initial spike. When you get a buy program in, you short that spike. Sell program, you can do something similar, but let's look for that buy program. It's probably going to be a buy on the 10 o'clock number anyway. So when they spike it, have stuff out, out of the money, look for the spike, sell into the spike, take the first move down. Then you can look to see if we've topped, if we stop making highs. Right, if you want to take a longer view position. But again, the market's going to remain fairly choppy. Right? Don't expect any major moves. Obviously, we're overbought. There's room to go down. It wouldn't be overly surprising if they took the market down today to bounce it tomorrow. Could happen. I'm not going to play for it. I'm just going to play for those initial spikes. And for the fact we'll probably be tightly range bound. Now let's talk about tomorrow. There's a historical trade that's gone on for tomorrow. And that is Wednesday into Friday. The Wednesday night into Friday overnight. Okay? For some odd reason, except for I think last year it didn't work, for some odd reason you can go back historically, that is a long overnight day, year in and year out. Can't give you a scientific reason. I can tell you that we've always traded it. People will come out of the woodwork to trade it, but there is this, the stuff that's strong into the close follows through into Friday. And we've had that, like I said, for years. Last year, I think, was the first year in a while it didn't work to any appreciable level. So look for tomorrow into the close. How many close tomorrow? 1 early close?
Yeah, early. 1.
Okay.
Tomorrow's Friday.
4 regular close. Friday's the early close. So into the close, look for the stuff that's strong. Look to take it if you can take overnights. Take some stuff only into the strength for the Friday bounce. That's what we look for in terms of that trade. Like I said, it's weird. It's an esoteric trade. However, it is fairly consistent and historically accurate. Okay. Like I said, as for today, nothing new under the sun. It's fairly, the commodities are all up a little, the market's all up a little. They don't know which way to go. There's no major factor to take it up. Even this confidence number, which is mostly a crappy factor, it's probably going to be positive. They'll probably bounce it quickly. They're not going to run the market 200 points on this number. There's nothing else to bring it to that level. You're going to wait till next week to see some data from Black Friday sales to see what retail's looking like, to see what things really are. I think it will also adjust consumer confidence going forward, because if people hear that retail is negative, it's going to affect confidence going forward. If people hear that retail was positive on Black Friday and the sales numbers were good, it might affect it positively going forward. In the meantime, just look to short those spikes. Take it easy. It is light volume. Good luck. Eve.